Hello viewers, you're welcome to Kelvin Math class. This is 1 over something and it's adding 1 over something. So we're asked to, when we simplify, what would be the value? So I'm going to be applying a rule here in laws of indices. So let's borrow this rule that states that when we have a raised to the power of n divide a raised to the power of m, can be written as a raised to the power of n minus a raised to the power of n. So I'm going to apply it on this and this. So that means this will be 1 over 1 plus a raised to the power of n divide a raised to the power of m plus 1 over 1 plus a raised to the power of m first divide a raised to the power of n. So now if I simplify this, I'm going to be having a times this. This is 1 over a times 1 will give me a raised to the power of m, and plus a raised to the power of n divide a raised to the power of m, and plus 1 over, do the same thing, 1 times a raised to the power of n will give me a raised to the power of n, then plus divide a raised to the power of n. Alright, so 1 over this fraction plus 1 over this fraction, it's like you're reciprocating. So the denominator swap with the numerator of the fraction below the 1. So we have a raised to the power of m over that plus so now what we do now is notice these denominators are the same. So that means the LCM will be the same as a raised to the power of m plus a raised to the power of n. So since they are the same, just pick one as your LCM. So this into this will give me 1 times it to the numerator, we should have a raised to the power of m plus this into this denominator is 1 times it to the numerator here, we still have a raised to the power of n. So at the end of the day, notice that the numerator and denominators are the same, so they can cancel out to give me 1. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.